A tiny front yard can hold incredible potential when designed with intention and creativity. In this video, we explore how cottage-style landscaping transforms even the smallest outdoor space into a charming, welcoming retreat. From delicate flower beds to rustic garden gates, every detail contributes to a warm, storybook aesthetic that feels both personal and inviting. Cottage-style gardens are known for their informal layouts, layered greenery, and romantic appeal. Unlike rigid modern designs, this approach celebrates imperfection, allowing plants to spill over pathways and fences. The result is a soft, lived-in look that feels organic and timeless, making it ideal for small front yards seeking character and warmth. Designing a small front yard begins with thoughtful planning. Focus on creating clear zones for planting, pathways, and focal points. Even limited space can feel expansive when arranged strategically. Curved lines, layered heights, and defined edges help guide the eye and make the garden feel more dynamic and spacious. A simple wooden or metal garden gate can instantly elevate a tiny front yard. Opt for designs with soft curves or classic picket styles to enhance the cottage feel. The gate acts as both a functional element and a decorative focal point, creating a sense of entrance and charm from the very first glance. Stone or gravel pathways are essential in cottage gardens. In a small space, a gently winding path creates the illusion of depth while guiding visitors through the garden. Materials like stepping stones or brick add texture and contribute to the rustic, handcrafted aesthetic that defines cottage design. One of the key secrets to a charming cottage garden is layering plants. Use taller shrubs at the back, medium-height flowers in the middle, and low-growing ground cover at the front. This technique adds visual richness and ensures that even a tiny yard feels full and vibrant. Classic cottage flowers like roses, lavender, daisies, and foxgloves bring life and color to small front yards. Choose a mix of perennial and seasonal blooms to maintain year-round interest. Soft pastel tones combined with pops of bright color create a balanced and inviting visual palette. In a tiny garden, vertical space is just as important as ground space. Trellises, arches, and climbing plants like ivy or jasmine add height and dimension. These features draw the eye upward, making the garden feel larger while adding layers of texture and greenery. Even the smallest front yard can include a cozy seating nook. A simple bench or a pair of vintage chairs tucked among plants creates a peaceful spot to enjoy the garden. This adds functionality and transforms the space into a true outdoor living area. A low picket fence or a weathered wooden barrier enhances the cottage aesthetic while defining the space. Keep the design simple and slightly imperfect to maintain that relaxed, countryside feel. Painted white or left natural, fences contribute to both structure and charm. Combining different materials such as wood, stone, and metal adds depth to a small garden. Textural contrast prevents the space from feeling flat and introduces subtle complexity. This layered approach reflects the natural, collected style typical of cottage design. Small decorative elements like watering cans, lanterns, or vintage pots bring personality to the garden. These accents should feel curated rather than cluttered, enhancing the cozy atmosphere without overwhelming the limited space. Stick to a gentle color palette inspired by nature. Whites, creams, soft pinks, and greens create a calming environment. These tones help unify the garden design and allow the natural beauty of plants and materials to stand out. Choose plants that thrive in your climate and require minimal upkeep. Hardy perennials and drought-tolerant species ensure your garden remains beautiful without constant maintenance. This approach keeps the space enjoyable and sustainable. Plan your plant selection to ensure something is blooming or visually appealing in every season. Spring flowers, summer greenery, autumn textures, and winter structure all contribute to a garden that remains charming throughout the year. Outdoor lighting adds a magical touch to a cottage garden. String lights, lanterns, or solar path lights create a warm glow that enhances the atmosphere during the evening. Proper lighting also highlights key features like gates and pathways. Potted plants are perfect for small front yards. They allow flexibility in design and can be easily rearranged. Use a mix of pot sizes and materials to add variety and depth while maintaining a cohesive look. The entry point of your front yard should feel inviting and thoughtfully designed. Frame the pathway or gate with flowers or greenery to create a welcoming transition from the outside world into your cozy garden space. While cottage gardens are known for their fullness, it's important not to overcrowd a tiny yard. Leave small pockets of open space to maintain balance and prevent the garden from feeling cluttered or overwhelming. A small fountain or bird bath can introduce soothing sounds and movement to the garden. Even a simple water feature enhances the sensory experience, making the space feel more tranquil and alive. Use plants, fences, or trellises to create a sense of enclosure without blocking light. This makes the small front yard feel like a private retreat while still remaining open and inviting. Cottage gardens thrive on a slightly wild, unstructured look. Allow plants to grow freely and embrace minor imperfections. This relaxed approach adds authenticity and charm that cannot be replicated with overly precise designs. You don't need a large budget to achieve a beautiful cottage garden. Repurpose old materials, propagate plants, and focus on simple DIY projects. Thoughtful design and creativity can transform any small space affordably.